friends, you are watching classes of Breathe. Today I am going to teach you that is chapter 2, work, energy and power. Okay, this is your part 1. In the part 1 we will discuss about work. So let's start. Definition of work. Work is said to be done only when the force applied on the body makes the body move. That is, there is displacement of a body. You can say that work is said to be done only when a body moves under the influence of a force. Okay, so if there is no displacement of the body, even a force acts on it, then the work done is said to be zero. Okay, for an example, if a man tries to push a wall or a child tries to push a heavy stone and they are unable to move it, then scientifically no work is being done by them. Okay, so next is the amount of the work done on a body depends upon two factors. So first factor is that the magnitude of the force applied, then second is the displacement produced by the force. Okay, then our third point is measurement of work. The amount of work done by a force is equal to the product of the force and the displacement of the point of the application of the force in the direction of force. Work equals to force into displacement. You have to remember this much only, that W equals to F into S, means work equals to force into displacement of an application in the direction of force. Okay, then it is written, if a force acts on a body and the body does not move, that is, displacement is zero, then no work is done. This means that I have given you an example of a man tries to push a wall and a child tries to push a heavy stone. So in the same way, that if a man tries to push a wall, then it is unable to move the wall. So the body does not move, means here the body means wall. Okay, in the example, wall does not move, so displacement is zero here, then no work is said to be done. Okay, then here are some special cases. First is case 1. If the displacement is in the direction of force, that is theta equals to 0 degree, then cos theta means cos 0 degree equals to 1. Okay, work equals to force into displacement. The work done is positive here. For an example, a coolie does work on the load when he raises it up against the force of gravity. Okay, means when a coolie takes load on his head against the force of gravity, then both the force exerted by coolie and the displacement are in upward direction. So the work done by the coolie is raising the load is W equals to mgh, means mass into gravity into height. The how much it has means the weight of the luggage into gravity into the height means displacement. Okay, then second example will be that if a body revolves in a circular path under the influence of a force, no completing one round, on completing one round, the displacement becomes zero. So the work done by the force is zero, because from where it started comes to end in that point only. That's why work is said to be zero. Okay, then our second case is that if the displacement is normal to the direction of force, that is theta equals to 90 degree, then cos 90 degree equals to 0. Okay, hence the work done is 0. Here the work done is 0. So I will give you a same example of coolie in this case too also. When a coolie walks on a horizontal ground, means a plain ground, horizontal ground, horizontal ground, while carrying a load on his head, no work is done against the force of gravity, because the displacement of load is normal to the direction of force of gravity, which is vertically downwards. Okay, so for an example, means you note that Kuli does work against the force of friction when he moves with the load in the horizontal ground, okay, but not with the force of gravity. Then our second point, means second example will be that when a body moves in a circular path, same here, okay, you will see the difference. When a body moves in a circular path in a horizontal plane, okay, no work is done since the centripetal force on the body at any instant is directed towards the center of circular path, and the displacement at the instant is along the tangent to the circular path, that is normal to the direction of force of the body, okay. So it is for this reason that in a circular path the kinetic energy and hence the speed of the body does not change although a force acts on the body, okay. Then our third case is that if the displacement is in a direction opposite to the work, that is theta equals to 180 degree, then cos 180 degree equals to -1. So your work equals to minus F, means force is in minus sign, means negative sign, into displacement. So the work done is negative, okay. For example, when a body moves on a surface, the force of friction between the body and surface is in the direction opposite to the motion of the body. Therefore, the work done by the force of friction is negative, okay. And the second example will be your that when a ball of mass like m, okay, of a mass m is thrown upwards from A to B to a height h, okay, the displacement upwards is opposite to the direction of force of gravity, okay, that is your downwards. So the work done by the force of gravity means mass into g, means mg equals to mass into gravity in displacement is w equals to minus mgh. Here displacement equals to your height, I have told you earlier also, that's why it is negative, okay. So let's see our next point, that is condition for the work done by a force to be 0. So our first condition is that when there is no displacement, that is displacement equals to 0, then the work done by force is 0. Then in second condition is that when the displacement is normal to the direction of force, that is theta equals to 90 degree, then the work done by a force to be 0, okay. So to be continued in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new in this channel, means if you are new to my channel, then please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.